If we run an ad here in our page in Facebook, who will pay for the ad? So I'm just going to show you how you could create an ad. So you go to Publishing Tools, you go to Settings, you go to Publishing Tools. Here you can create a post. You can even boost it if you want right here. You can create different kinds of posts right here. Okay. You can also go to Manage Ads, and then right here, if you could see, here are the ads that were ran. So you can create an ad here as well. And depending on what you want to accomplish, you can create an ad. If you want to get more messages, you can create an ad about that, promote, or get more website visitors. Click this one. You can actually do this, right? Or you can go to, just make sure you are on Jerry Dickinson's account, okay? If you're creating a post, okay, here. Or you can go to Facebook Pixel. Here is the Facebook Pixel. So if you click on Pixel, so we go to Facebook Pixel, right? Here, Facebook Pixel, right? So go to the Ads Manager. Of course, we click on Jerry Dickinson's account. Okay. And then there we go. Here are the campaigns that were created. Okay, here are the audiences, different kinds of audience that were created as well. Okay, see if you click on, for example, let's see if any of this have been boosted. No, there were budget set for these ones, but you can browse these ones. So to learn more, but Jared's account is associated with this, so if you create an ad, Jared will be charged. Okay, but so far no ad has been ran. Okay, if you have questions, just let me know.